Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is Varma and today I am going to discuss about pivot points indicators. Friends, many indicators are there in stock market, but in my experience, the leading indicator is pivot points. And first I am going to discuss theory part and then we will go through with the charts. Okay, now what is meant by pivot points? Friends, once pause the video and read all the text here. I hope you have read this. Friends, pivot point is an indicator for market movement and it calculates as an average prices of high, low, close from the previous market trading sessions. And finally, when market is trading above the pivot is known as bullish and when market is trading below the pivot is known as bearish. Pivot points contains of support and resistance levels and these are turning points for the direction of price movement in a market. Friends, in an uptrend market, the resistance level may represent which the uptrend is no longer sustainable and a reversal may occur. And in a downtrend market, support level may represent no longer and reversal may occur. Okay, now calculation of pivot points. Several methods are there in calculation of pivot points. First method, arithmetic average of high, low, closing by 3 means here P is equal to pivot points equal to high plus low plus closing by 3 and sometimes the average also includes the previous periods or the current period's opening. Here P equal to pivot point equal to opening price O plus high plus low plus close by 4. In other cases pivot points equal to high plus low plus closing by 4 or the current period's opening price P equal to high plus low plus opening price plus by 4. Friends, here how to calculate support and resistance level. Resistance R1 and support S1. Resistance R1 equal to P for pivot points plus pivot point minus low equal to 2 into P minus L. Okay. And next support S1 equal to pivot points minus high minus pivot points is equal to 2 into P minus H. And these levels may simply calculated by subtracting the previous low L and high price respectively from the twice the pivot points values. And here the second set of resistance R2 and support S2 levels. See friends, R2 resistance 2 equal to pivot point plus high minus low and here support S2 equal to pivot points minus high minus low. And here the third set of support S3 and resistance R3 and here now how to calculate this. Resistance R3 equal to high plus 2 into pivot points minus low equal to R1 plus H minus L. Okay, now support S3 equal to low minus 2 into H minus P equal to S1 minus H minus L. Okay friends, don't worry, no need to remember all this data and when you add pivot points, all the data will appear on the chart. Okay, now we will discuss in the charts. Let's go. Okay friends, I have opened TradingView software. In this, I open Nifty 50 index. It's in 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this is pivot points indicator. Okay, now I will hide this. And how to add this? Go to indicators and type pivot. Okay, now here you will get pivot point standard. Okay, choose this. Okay, now you have find this. Now it is applied on the chart. See friends, as I said, when the market is above the pivot point line, It is known as bullish market. See, here is a pivot line and market is here, and before day pivot line and market is here. See friends, when the market is below the pivot line, see how much it has fallen, bullish. And here you can see the breaking of support 1, and in this sustaining R1, R3, R4 and R5 also. See friends, now you can use this support and resistance lines. In these multiple time frames also, the pivot points won't change. Now I am keeping 5 minutes time frame. Okay, as you see, same here pivot point and here R1. See frames, there is no change when you change the time frame also. Now here I will change from 5 minutes, I will choose 30 minutes. Same here, pivot points won't change. Okay friends, now I will consider 5 minutes most of the time. Now not only index, we can check these two stocks also. Now I will choose Reliance stock. See friends, pivot point is here and above the pivot point bullish, and here pivot point is here and it has opened gap up and complete bullish market. Okay friends, this is about pivot points friends. Now you need to practice this, and when you practice this you can get some experience. By this you can trade. And finally my words, don't trade according to this, first paper trade for few months. After practicing you can trade with real money. And this is a video friends. I hope you have learned something from this video, and thanks for watching our video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you friends.